Welcome to my Abacus English tutorial channel. From this lesson we are going to do lots of exercises of division. So this is very first episode of division exercises. If you don't know about basic rules of division, please watch another episode which link is in the description box. Without that you don't know what I am doing here. Okay, so please one more thing I have to say, please do not comment on my English language because I am not a good English speaker, but I can teach you this. Please trust me on that. Okay, and let's start. Very first question is 862 divide by 2. So first rule is you have to take your position. So to take position, this is my marked dot. Our dividend 3 digits, our divisor 1 digit, so 3 digits, subtract 1 digit, your answer is 2 digits, means our marked rod is number 2, means you have to place your dividend from this rod and point your pointer finger of left hand side very first dividend rod. Okay, and start to divide from here. 8 divide by 2, your quotient, your answer is 4. So I'm not a good English speaker, so for my pronunciation also very bad, so I love to say answer instead of quotient. So please quotient is answer. Okay, so this that is our answer, so I'm going to say answer. 8 divided by 2, your answer is 4. You have to place your answer 1 2 and place your answer 4 here, and after placing your answer you have to subtract same amount of dividend, means 8. You have to subtract that 8 from the dividend. Okay, and you have to change your pointer finger, don't forget this. Okay, every rules are very important, so please be careful about that. And seconds, 6 divided by 2, your answer is 3, so place 2 rods left side, 1 2 and place 3 here and subtract the same amount 6 here. Okay, and change your pointed rod. And next is 2 divided by 2, your answer is 1, so place your answer 2 rod left side, 1 2 here and subtract the same amount of dividend here, and we finished our dividend, and our answer is 4 3 1. Okay, we have to read till the marked rod. If you take position correctly and your quotient also correct, okay, your answer also correct. So this is our marked rod. Our answer is from here to here, 4 3 1. Okay, so let's do another question. 666 divided by 6. This is very easy, so the answer is 111, but for the kids it's also very difficult. So let's do on the abacus. So first take your position, 3 digits, subtract 1 digit, your answer is 2, means place your dividend from here and place your pointed rod here. 6 divided by 6, your answer is 1, so 2 rods left side, place your answer and subtract the same amount of dividend. Okay, and change your pointed rod. 6 divided by 6, your answer, your quotient is 1, so place your quotient, your answer 2 rods left side, 1 to here and subtract the dividend of same amounts. Okay, and change your pointed rod. 6 divided by 6, again 1, so place your answer 2 rod left side, 1 to here and subtract the same amount of dividend, and we finished our dividend and your answer is 111. We have to read till this marked rod. Okay, 111. This is our answer. So one more question, and after that I'm going to give you some little exercises which you have to do by yourself. Okay, Last question is 88 divided by 4. So 2 digits of dividend and 1 digit of a divisor, 2 digits subtract 1 digits, your answer is 1. Your marked rod is 2 position, means you have to take position from here and place your dividend from here. Okay, so start to divide. 8 divided by 4, your answer is 2. So 2 rod left side, place your quotient and subtract the same amount 8 from here and change your pointed rod. Once again, 8 divided by 4, your answer is 2. Your quotient is 2 and please place that answer, your quotient 1 2 rod left side here and subtract the same amount of dividend. And we finished our dividend and now we have our answer, and our answer is 22. This is our marked rod. So we have to read till this marked rod. Okay, how is this relation? Please, if you have any question, any comment, please comment to me or email me, or you can contact directly from the messenger. Please follow my Facebook channel also. And so here's some exercises on your screen. Please try